Well, it's not that bad, but
Ready?
like, what?
Go get it.
What could it? Like, what could it
Bring it here.
have done?
Your
Bring it here.
muscles are sore, but they get sore just like
Can you
mine
feel
do.
that?
Bring it here.
Can you feel it's tight or what?
Psst, 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 psst,
Up
psst.
more.
Oh, come on. Bring it here. There's the kitty. Bring it here.
To the right. Right there, like, you can feel that.
You gotta bring it closer.
Really.
Ready? Go get it. Bring it here. Good kitty. You gotta bring it closer.
Now, Brett, earlier you kind of pissed me off in the shower. Mom has no say in nothing.
Bring it here.
Yeah, but you still got the problem. It's just gonna make everything worse.
Mom
So.
can be pissed off all she wants. She can
Bring it
kiss
here.
my ass.
Ready? Go get it. Oh.
Mom's
Bring it
losing
here.
control and she doesn't like it.
Good kitty. Good kitty. Bring it here. Over here.
Mom
you going over there
cannot
for?
say.
Bring it here.
That's where it is right there.
Come here. Good kitty.
I don't know what the heck bag you're gonna use tomorrow.
Bring it here. Yes, I still got this on video. He's tired now. Yeah.